It is day 3 of our trip to Fuerteventura, and we are out walking again along the coast. This time we're going to try and get to the harbour and then do a little bit of shopping. Apparently it's a shopping day, so come with us and let's see what we can see. So as Andrea has quite rightly pointed out, we haven't gone this far so far, so new territory for us, walking along the beach. We didn't get as far as the Hawaii Kiki restaurant or snack bar. So on we go.
I think the tide is out.
The tide's out, Andrea, definitely. Wonder is there any jellyfish there though? Yeah, we've got some sand sculptures here. This one's been a wee bit ruined, but there's a turtle there. Some people. Very skillful, huh? Oh, here we go. Here she goes, first shop. And then I go. Outstanding. Continuing our tour to the harbour. Almost there now, Andrea. No. Good 2K. Ship steaming in. See where we've come from. There's the parasailing there, Andrea. That's what you were keen on.
Okay.
A lot of fish down here, quite big. I don't know what type of fish they are. Almost 30 or 40 of them all now. Or far more. walking out to the end of the pier because we have to do the whole thing. That's gorgeous, Andrea. Nice waves. Something nice about looking at the sea. There goes the ship. Now on the northerly part of Corralejo. There's a walk that walks us round here. I'm not sure Andrea wants to do it. Here it is. A little map.
Are you enjoying your holiday so far?
Really can't we done today? Alright.
Almost 5.
We still have to go back.
Only in an hour and a half. That's good going.
Okay, we had a lovely coffee there at the harbour. That was the best coffee of the trip by a long way so far. Where will I go? So, after much shopping and much walking, we are back. We are back. There it is, the Alua Suites. Almost 10k walk, Andrea. And my backpack's full of gifts. So lovely time. We had a lovely time. Oh, look at that! I'd be so happy.